New phone, who this?
Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mel if you're new here, and let's get into this gorgeous hairstyle featuring Elfinhair, you guys. I created this beautiful, wavy, full, long ponytail that is so ready for the new year. If you want to see exactly how I created it, then you're going to want to keep on watching this video. My favorite thing about this hairstyle is it literally takes 10 minutes, so let's get into it. Now here's the thing, I am so busy as a mom of a newborn. I literally have no time. So a quick and easy hairstyle is all that I can do. But that doesn't mean I don't want it to look beautiful. I can slay my makeup in like 10 minutes, but the hair is always a struggle for me. So these type of hairstyles, using a bundle or two to create a beautiful pony, is exactly what I need. I love this hairstyle. These bundles feel so incredibly soft. I cannot wait to install them in a traditional sew-in. So that's coming soon. Stick with me if you want to hear more about this hair. But let's just go ahead. I'm going to show you how I do this style. So we're starting off with sectioning off the hair, and I learned this technique from a hairstylist. You're actually going to do a inner pony on the inner portion of your crown and head. And this is how you get your ponytail really sleek. So I'm just going ahead and doing an inner pony on the back, and then I'm kind of sectioning off that other hair and just putting it to the side so that I can make the inner pony as sleek and as perfect as possible. This is what the hairstylists do to make your ponytail smooth. I also blew out my hair, which helps a lot, so I do suggest doing that as well, but otherwise you might be struggling. I don't know what it is, but doing ponytails literally feels like an arm workout. I originally was going to do a bang or like some sort of a little leave out at the front with a cute little wavy style, but I did decide against it. So right now I'm just sectioning out hair for that. It's really easy to just put this hair back into your ponytail if you decide not to do it, but usually I do like leaving out a little hair at the front. I just felt like with the style it ended up looking better without it. So I'm checking the height of my pony because I don't like going too high. I kind of like it to be like right in the middle of my head, and you cannot do a ponytail while you're wearing glasses, so these have to come off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and slick my edges. So I didn't actually secure my pony yet. Personally, I have to do my edges before I secure my pony, because otherwise all my little flyaway hairs will start like coming out of the ponytail that I worked so hard to create. So I'm just using a little mousse. This is my edge method that I feel like works the best. So I do mousse and I make sure that my edges are literally perfect, and then I take a little bit of Shine and Jam and I go over my edges once more time, and I just like perfect them and make sure they're exactly how I want them. And then as a final step, I take a little bit of the Got To Be, literally a pea size amount, and I just go over top to basically like lock them in place and glue them down. And if I do this method, my edges won't move all day and they'll look exactly how I want them to. So it's now time to do the pony. I'm going to use a little bit of water and a bunch of mousse, and we're just gonna slick this hair back into a perfect, sleek and smooth pony. The mousse, it really helps your hair look shiny, but the water is obviously really just gonna help it to like be manageable. So once you get your ponytail in there and it's at the height you want and the way that you want it to look, I mean, that's literally the majority of the work here. But now I'm just gonna quickly braid this ponytail down. I will suggest to try to keep your hands in the middle as you do this, because if you start leaning too much to one side, your ponytail is going to be lopsided. So yeah, just try to keep your hands like in the middle for the majority of this braiding. But while I braid my hair, I'm actually going to show you guys my adorable little parcel that I got from Elfinhair and what is in it, because the hair bundles look so gorgeous. So of course it comes in a box, and there's a beautiful hair bag inside so you can store your hair in this afterwards. The bundles, look at these, like this body wave texture, so bouncy, so beautiful, full to the ends. And we also have a wig cap and a comb and a bonnet as a gift. So cute. So my braid is done. Let's get into the next steps. All right, so we've already done the braid, as you guys saw. I feel like this planning part is the hardest part, and honestly that's pretty easy. So now we're just gonna go ahead and put the bundles on. I have 3 bundles here. I probably will only end up using 2, and because it's a ponytail, it's gonna look quite long, so I think I'm gonna go for the shorter ones. I'm gonna do a 24 and a 22, but I do also have a 26-inch bundle here, which, come on, that would be so cute. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tags and stuff off the hair. I feel like, honestly, the reason that I love this hairstyle so much is because I just don't have time. Like, I wish I had time to do my hair properly, but girl, I have no time for anything. So this is like a lifesaver for me. So I have brand new bundles from Elfinhair, but you could really just use whatever hair you have in your little hair bag. Like, don't be afraid to just use whatever you got. But I'm going to use my Elfinhair today, and it's going to look so good because this is like a nice body wave texture. This hair feels soft and full. I'm excited to have these bundles installed in a weave, but my appointment is not until after the new year, closer to my birthday, so I'll let you guys know if the hair holds up really well for my extensions. The one thing we're going to do here is we're going to just tie a little tiny little pony around the end of this hair, and I'll show you why in a second, but this is important because this is how you get the hair to stay in the pony. So I'm just taking a little elastic and just looping it around the end here, leaving like a tiny bit of hair out. You don't need to leave much. I left about this much out. Okay, and then this is what I'm gonna wrap around the pony. I'll show you. So the end of my pony is gonna get this tied around it. You don't need to go at the very end. You can go like from here, but you don't wanna put it too high up either because it'll show if you put it too high. So I left about 2 inches at the bottom and I just wrapped that around. And now this is what's gonna have my hair staying. I'm just gonna wrap upwards. And I double wefted my extensions, so they're doubled up, which I would suggest doing. And I'm just trying to make sure that I'm wrapping them together around this pony. You can do this look with 1 bundle, but I do prefer to use 2. This is the easiest way to do a pony, in my opinion. Like, it's quick. It's so cute and it's quick. Using the same method, I just did the second bundle and now I'm just gonna wrap it. And I actually think I'm gonna try to do it like on this side because, like I said, if you lean too much to one side, your hair will kind of be lopsided. I don't want my pony to be lopsided. Now that I'm at the top and I have like this much hair left, I'm just gonna wrap this across the top of my pony to hide the tracks. I want to make sure that this is secure, so I'm just gonna bobby pin it. That's what the pony is gonna look like, something like that. I just brushed out this hair and look at how gorgeous it looks. I feel like this is like a dream pony. It's giving mermaid. It's giving Rapunzel. It's not even in the frame. So cute. I also decided that I didn't want the bangs, so I just slicked it back. I think it looks better with the texture of the hair to just have it all slicked back. Let me go do my makeup and then I'll show you guys the final look. It's literally the ponytail of my dreams. Now, Elfinhair is full of hair products. They have wigs, they have bundles, pretty much everything that you can think of. So definitely check them out. I'll put the link for this exact hair in my description, along with some deals and all of the details. Let me know what you think of this hairstyle, and I hope you guys are enjoying the holiday season. I will see you soon. Bye.
Single on nobody but you. Take on nobody but you.